Hello all. In this video, we are going to discuss about the OpenHRMS Salary Advance module. So as we know that OpenHRMS is an open source HR management solutions that helps in managing managing the software as well as envisioning providing you a happier workplace and helps to manage your entire HR solution. So we can say that OpenHRMS is kind of a module we can say which will provide you a complete HR solutions and its module 2. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the OpenHRMS Salary Advance module. So once you install the module, you will get the functionality in the employee module. So let's see what is the main function of the OpenHRMS Salary Advance. So we can say that by default, the Odoo does not have the provisions of providing the salary advance feature to their employee. So with this, we have brought up a feature where you can where your employees can request for salary advance. So let's have a look on that. So just go to the employee module. So we can say that this that is salary advance or HR salary advance is a component of the HR suite. So HR salary advance module helps the user to manage the salary advance request for their employees. So this functionalities you can see. So here you will have the option. So you can see over here that here you have the options called as loan and advance. So under this you will have an option where you can see that you will get an option to request the salary advance. So here you can see from here you can simply create the salary advance where you have the option to mention the employee name and the corresponding department. Here you can mention your date as well as you can mention the reason for your requesting for the salary advance. Then there is also a provision where you can configure the salary advance rule as well as advance salary limit, minimum number of days, as well as you can provide a salary or advance salary to employee and all. So that's why you can use this reason, and here we have the option that is exceed the minimum. So the advance is greater than the maximum percentage in salary structure. So this is something we can say that with this OpenHRMS salary advance module, we can also set a salary advance dates in salary structure. So that is what it is showing over here. So for that we are having this field. Then here you can mention your amount, and correspondingly here you can mention the credit amount account as well as the debit account, and also can mention the journal where it should be reflecting. So these are some of the options that you can see in the form of the salary advance. So from here you can simply create, or your employee can request your salary advance and can submit it to the corresponding higher person. So here you can see, here we have the different stages correspondingly to that. That is submitted, waiting for approval, approved, cancel and rejected. So these are some of the options that you can see. Then under here itself you can see, you will see other two options, that is my approved salary advance and the salary advance to approve. So this is field I am seeing because since right now I have login as my administrator. So that's why it is showing this field, that is the salary advances that need to be approved. So this is some of the feature we can say with the advance or the salary advance module. So with OpenHRMS, with OpenHRMS salary advance module, we can say we can manage the advance request of a salary advance request of our employee in this way. So thank you for watching this video.
If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, just drop your request to odoo@cybrosys.com.